this is a great question. Why do I soak my brush? Why do I wring it out? And what I do to wet shave. One way to think about it is just like regular hand soap that you have in a bar. If it's dry, it's not going to lather real well. This Wet Shaving Products Bay Rum Shave Soap is kind of dry. So you need moisture in order to load the brush that will create the lather so that it goes on very well. This is a dry brush. I have not soaked it. And if you notice, it's not really picking up much of the shave soap. So like a sponge, this brush has now absorbed the water into the brush. You don't need a whole bunch of water, just a little bit. You can take the brush and shake the water out. You can bring a little bit out onto the soap to help it lather. It smells good too. Wet shaving in this process, when you apply it to your face, helps pull the razor a little closer to your face for a better shave. This is lathering up the soap. Very similar to taking soap and getting it ready between your hands. You're making more of the soap to get it around. I do this process for a little while until you get almost like a marshmallowy type effect from the shave soap. For a closer shave, one of the things that can help, get a hot shower first. This will soften up the stubble, allowing you to cut it versus tugging on the hairs. You can also add a shave oil as a pre-treatment to add a lubricating layer to help the razor glide and cut versus snagging. Oh, that smells good. Applying the lather with a brush is definitely going to help out. Plus, it doesn't get as much of the shave soap or cream on my hands. Today's razor is going to be my one blade element razor with flexing head. The flexing head allows it to follow the contours and flex a little bit to reduce the chance of nicking yourself. Nicking happens, it's okay, it happens to everybody, whether you tilt the blade head, push too hard, or have a skin imperfection. This is a safety razor because this guard reduces the amount of blade surface against your skin. Prior to safety razors, straight razors had the entire blade surface against your skin. First and foremost, shave however you're most comfortable. Get a hot shower first, pre-treat with a shave oil like I did. For the closest shave, because the hair grows in different directions, you shave with the stubble growth, across the stubble growth, and then against the stubble growth. Most razors will tell you to put it at about a 30-degree angle to maximize the guard and the blade surface for a better shave. It takes a little bit of practice. Go slow, use light pressure when you first start. Make sure that you hold your enormously large mustache out of the way. Look at that. If shaving against the grain irritates your skin, then I don't recommend you do it. But whatever way you do shave, you can tilt your head, put a little tension like this down here. You can pull up to tighten the skin. This helps get a better shave without irritating your skin as much. The chin is always tricky, so go slow and use light pressure. that's okay. Something like an alum block or one of these antiseptic pens is a nice way to kind of soothe that skin and help speed up the healing process of the nicks. After shaving, to help your skin, add the shave oil. Little aftershave tonic. That smells good. Using a shave soap like this 3 times a week is going to last me a long while. Using a safety razor like this, for me, has reduced skin irritation and ingrown hairs. Thanks for the comment and thanks for watching. Look at that, I still got a good amount of soap on there.